go. We got our first order of the day. This one I'm a little iffy on. This one is like $18 going just about 9 miles. The pay that they're showing me is like abnormally high for an order, so this might be a tip bait, or the store's like not open, and that's a lot of mileage for pretty much any kind of hiccup. So wish me luck. Oh, did I even say what this was? This one's a Starbucks, and looks like we are open. I know the drive-thru is open. I don't know if the lobby is. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, package secured. This still could be a tip bait though. I can already tell that was a multi-million-dollar home, even without being able to see it. First of all, it's in the middle of nowhere. Second of all, it's got like its own private driveway, and I think it actually had 2 houses on that property with some crazy designs. Got another Starbucks. This one is $20 going 10 miles. This one is very similar to the last one. Only real difference is the mileage on the first order was 50% driving to the restaurant and 50% driving to the drop-off, whereas this one is about 85% driving to the restaurant and 15% driving to the drop-off. Honestly, is kind of worse than the other one, so maybe they're annoyed with me taking so long to get there. Also, people that are closer to the restaurant just don't tip as much in general, so there's that too. It says, long driveway, set on table, all caps, do not knock. Dogs can't jump fence? What? What does that mean exactly? I mean, I know what it means. I know English, but what does that mean for me when I get there? Okay, is it me, or did those instructions not really mean too much for that order? Because I'm kind of confused. So it turns out the base pay was just really, really high on both of those orders, because I'm currently at $23. Even if both of those are no tips, which I'm hoping are not, we're still on pace because it's been about an hour. Just got the next order. This is at Burger King going 5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Hand it to me, brother. Why? Just go to sleep. Morning.
Morning.
There you
Thank
are.
you so much.
Yep. Got it?
Yep.
Have a good one. Okay, never mind. So glad that was a handy customer. Total for that one was $12. Thank you very much. Just got the next order. This one is a McDonald's going 4.5 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I had a DoorDash. EDC? Yep. Thank you. Total for that one was $9. Okay, not a bad one either. Next up, we've got a stacked Starbucks. This is going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
For Caitlin?
Oh, yes. Thank you so much.
Yep. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Hello. For Lainey?
Yes.
There you are. Total for those 2 orders ended up being $10. Next order up is a Jack in the Box going 3.5 miles. If I had to guess, this one is the one that's not going to be very good today. Well, first of many probably. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, they're giving me another order.
Oh, you're fine. Have a good day.
You too. As I was saying, they give me another order. This is going an extra 300 feet, which is pretty much just to Black Rock Coffee, where I'm going right now. And I thought it was going to the same person because the distance was only adding a few hundred feet, but apparently not. I don't know where these are going actually.
A triple in the blender, please. All right.
Wait a minute, I know where this is going. And it is going to the same place. I guess just 2 different people ordered.
The call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Hello. is that
Hello.
for
I had 2 orders actually.
For Chantel and Cassie?
Yes.
Okay, I can take it.
Perfect. Here's that one.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yeesh. No tip on either of those. Total ended up being $9 and change. Yo, what? So I finally got the tips for those first 2 orders. Tell me why that second order ended up being a $14 tip. And that was the one that lived like 2 miles away from the restaurant. That is crazy. Thank you so much. Those first 2 Starbucks, by the way, were $43 and change. Finally got the next order. This is a Voodoo Donut going 7.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $16. Damn. Got the next order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 6 miles, 2 items.
I'm thinking it's probably the ones that you have to scan.
Yeah. And then just a scribble in that box for me. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe. This one is going 4.5 miles. Okay, this place might be kind of very busy. This whole parking lot is full.
Thank you.
Hey, we got there just in time.
I was just about to say, yeah.
My friend and I.
Thank you. Okay, I got really lucky. I don't know if you guys could see it, but the amount of tickets they had up there, whew, I feel bad for them. Also, I got an add-on while I was in there. Taco Bell going an extra 2.5 miles.
Just check the label.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Oh boy. This one's on the 3rd floor. You are.
Appreciate it, man.
You have a good day. Well, that drop off is probably going to be muted because I was bumping my music when I arrived. A little bit unprofessional, but I didn't see them standing by my door. Whoops. Total for that stack was just under $16. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Wendy's and Black Rock Coffee going just under 5 miles. You know, I'm actually surprised both of those were ready on time. Total for that one was $8. Oh, 0 tip on that one. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you. We are currently 13 minutes past the pickup time. Good thing we're on Earn by Time. Nice. Yeah, I knew I should have just called it and not taken that last order. No tip on that one. Total for that was $7. Whatever. Let's just go home now. Current time is 10:37. Total, we ended up with 142. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.